Hi everyone, we are packing sweater, winter caps and socks because winter is tough for students in Kapilvastu. In just 5 minutes, we are heading to 5 government schools of Kapilvastu.
Janata,
Buddha Vidya,
Mahendra,
Lambu Sagar,
And Tilora Kulti School. Trichy is conducting winter distribution that will support 921 students, helping them to stay warm this winter. When Trichy first visited these schools, many students had no sweaters. They were cold and shaking. Some didn't even have proper school dress.
अहिले चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ सूची संस्थाबाट आएका छौं र यहाँ किन छौं भन्दा फेरि मौसम एकदमै चिसो छ नि त त्यसको कारणले
जाडो महिनामा अब हाम्रो अधिकांश विद्यार्थीहरू अब धेरै पातलो सर्टै मात्रै लाएर आउने मैले देखेँ अनि त्यसपछि मैले हाम्रो यो चुजी फाउन्डेसनलाई एउटा रिक्वेस्ट गरेर एउटा पत्र पठाएँ
गुरुआमालाई पनि थाहा भयो र त्यसपछि हामी यहाँ आयौं. So today we are here to distribute the sweater for all of you.
A small sweater, but a big warmth. In the Buddha land, Trichy is working to make lives better, and education is at the heart of that mission.
मेरो पीडामा मेरो दुखमा चुजी फाउन्डेसनले मलम लगाइदिएछ मैले यसरी महसुस गरेको छु
Support Trichy's mission by sharing this video. Follow to learn more about Trichy's work in Nepal.